Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate quality high flyer designs. For example, if you see a very beautiful flyer design and you want to have something like that, so this particular tutorial, I teach you how you're able to reprompt it. You give your AI a prompt, you're going to come up with that kind of designs. You can actually edit the original one, right? All you need to do is to have the particular picture of the kind of flyer that you need, and prompting this AI is going to help you to recreate it to the way you want and give you more high quality designs more than that. And you can also edit it. You can edit everything that you want to do with it. You can see what you are seeing on my left and on my right. Right on my left is the original one, and the one on my right is what I designed. Okay, I give AI a prompt to convert this one to this other one. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're not a graphic designer, you can go to Upwork and try to get some jobs there. If you are seeing me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, because I'm going to teach you a lot of things. There's some hack I'm going to be giving you, and make sure you watch the video to the end. So we are using Gemini AI for this particular experiment. So these are Gemini AI. So I'm just going to go over to create image. So we're going to be using the image features of Gemini AI. So here we're going to put our prompt. First of all, I just want to upload the images, right? So follow me carefully. I want to upload the image that I want to use. I want to upload both the image that I want to use and the flyer that I want to mimic. Okay, so that's the flyer. I will just go down to look for the image. Okay, I guess I can upload two images at the same time. Let me just go back and add the flyer. So I'm going to use this image to design the flyer, giving Gemini AI a prompt. So you're going to change the person on this image. I said recreate this flyer on the right. All right, replace the image on it with the image on the left, and make the image the shirt on the image, which is the shirt I'm wearing on the left. All right, so it's going to make that shirt to be Real Madrid white shirt. Real Madrid have white shirt, so make the image to position like the one on the flyer. That means the image is going to position like the one on the flyer, like replacing the person on the right, which is I'm saying on the right flyer on the right, so that you understand what I'm talking about. Then change the right up, which is the $50,000 to $30,000. Then the size should be 1280 by 270 px. Okay, that's YouTube thumbnail. That's exactly the same size. So I'm just going to go ahead and send. So you can see what you did here. Exactly what we asked you to do. That's what you did here. You can see $30,000 at the back. Now I just remove that person and place my image here and make the image to be white. This is Real Madrid jersey. As you can see, exactly what he asked us to do, what we asked him to do. Now you can see that word monetize the FIFA World Cup 20. I'm going to change it, and you see this 1109, that timestamp. I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to go ahead and change the write up here. I don't need that FIFA. I want to write my own there, so I'll make it. I'll still go ahead and make changes. So I'll just say this. Now this is perfect. So now I'll ask it to remove the timestamp. That timestamp on the right hand side. You can see what I'm doing. I'm saying on the right bottom corner, you must be very specific. Okay, AI is garbage in, garbage out. Then change the right up here. So I'm going to indicate in quotes, I'm going to indicate the right up that is going to change, monetize the FIFA World Cup, right? To this is the new one that is going to change it to how to monetize the FIFA World Cup 2026. I'm going to go ahead and correct that 2026. Okay, so this is the prompt. I just go ahead and send submit. Now it's not going to change anything. It's going to use the same image, the same design, but it's going to make some changes. You can see the timestamp is no longer there. You can see some changes, right? You can see now how to monetize the FIFA World Cup 2026. That's what it's written there. That was not the original one. If I take you back to the original one, you will see the original one is monetize the FIFA World Cup. Right? This is the first one we did. We didn't tamper with this. As you can see, we just ask it to remove that particular part and change it to the write up, the new write up that we wanted to change it to, and he went ahead and did the same thing. But I'm still trying to see. I'm still going to go ahead and work on it. All right. So over here between the World Cup and this logo, which is the middle, I want it to add some dollars there, some money. I need to put some money there, right, to make it look more professional. I'm going to add some money there. Now I'm going to go ahead and prompt, say, add some few dollars, some few dollar bills on the table. Just that, okay? Just pay attention and see what it's going to do. This is the only prompt I give it to it now. Now, this prompt is going to ask it to re-edit this one you just edited. It's not going back to the former one. It's going to go ahead and edit this latest one now and look for how to add some dollar bills in between the World Cup and the YouTube logo. So we'll just go to wait for it. Usually it takes some few seconds for it to load image depending on your network. So we're just going to, all right, it has loaded already. Okay, you see, he didn't actually make any changes. He only just added, you can see everything is still the same thing. He only just added a few dollar notes on the table as you can see, just as you instructed it to do. He didn't add anything, just few dollar notes. You can see now the few dollar note is barely visible because they are very small, just scanty. Now I think I'm still going to go ahead and just prompt it this time around. I'm going to ask it to add maybe some bundles, because if you go back and check the previous one, you see some changes that we have made so far. First of all, we remove the timestamp. Timestamp will disappear, and now we can see we have some few dollar notes on the table between the World Cup logo, the World Cup, and the right. So in between the World Cup and the YouTube logo. So we're just going to go ahead and add some more prompts to this. I said it should be 3 bundles of dollars at the middle of the table only. Now you see that's the only prompt we are giving to it now. So pay attention to the prompt. It should be 3 bundles of dollars at the middle only. Now these particular dollars that we have here now we are trying to tell Gemini AI to remove this one just added there. We don't like it. Now it's going to go ahead and make it bundles. Right. Just click on it and it's going to go ahead and regenerate the image. And then once we load up, you can see we already have 3 bundles staring at us. Okay. So if there is nothing like I said before, there is nothing you want to do. There is nothing you cannot do with AI in this period. When it comes to graphics, if you know how to prompt it very well, you can create anything. Right? You can just mimic, go to Pinterest and collect the best design so far. You can go ahead and collect the best design. This is the original design that we use. Okay, this design was a screenshot of a YouTube thumbnail. I just screenshotted it and decided to redesign it by changing the write up, changing everything, and changing both the person that was there. You can see how far we are able to change everything. So this is the first one, the second one that we did, and here's the third one. Okay, consistent. Everything is consistent. And here's the fourth one. The only thing that changes is the particular thing we ask Gemini AI to change. That's to show you how smart these AI apps has been. And then definitely they are still currently working on it. Just imagine what will happen in the next few years, what they will be able to do. So there is no graphic design that all these AI apps cannot design currently. Now this is the picture I use. The picture has background, but it was smart enough to know that it doesn't need the background. You can see there's white on the background of this picture, but yet it was still smart enough to know fully well that it's not needed, because I asked him to mimic exactly what was on the other design. So he was able to remove the background and make use of it like that. Now they are so smart that they can do anything you ask them to do. Now you can barely differentiate this and the one I created from this, right? You just mimic it and then it's going to give you what you want. So if you like what I'm doing in this channel, I want you to hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be getting notification once I upload videos. Okay, I normally teach people everything about AI on this my channel. So hit the subscription button so I can proceed, and I will see you in my next video.